So let's talk about XCN. XCN is sitting at 0.011, which is basically 1.1 cent, but some people, they don't know what is 1.1 cent, so I have to say 0.011. And the overall situation of XCN has not changed since last time I made a video on it, and that was not long ago. I think I made a video on XCN day before yesterday. I'll go and check. But XCN is putting up a really nice fight, and I'll tell you why. Because 1.1 cent is an area of our interest, and it is trying its best not to go below it. It did go towards 1098 that is a wick. We need to see 2 daily candles closing below the area of 1.1 cent where it is sitting right now. 2 daily candles, full body candles closing below it, then we can say that okay, XCN has lost this area. Now it is going to get mega mega bearish, and we are going to do a more horrible journey with XCN. Other than that, if we talk about the overall targets that we had with XCN, because I'm covering XCN for previous few months, and we have discussed this overall downward journey, and I have discussed this in last video as well, how it keeps on creating lower lows and lower highs. Every high is lower than the previous one. Whether this is the highest point, it is lower than this one is lower than this one is lower than that one. It's a very obvious structure if you look at it, and if you look at its lows, it's the same thing. Every low is lower than the previous low, and when it was here somewhere, I told you that if it is going to continue this structure, that means we will go lower than this, and that is why we had a support at 1.1 cent. Now this is a point of reversal. I'll show it to you actually on a chart. This is a place where XCN needs to reverse from, because if you look at it, you have this channel. This is a falling channel, and 1.1 cent is a really good support area for it to reverse and starts going up. It should start going up towards 1.45 cent. This is going to be our first target. Of course, after 1.45 cent, we will have a target at 1.6, 1.8, and then 2.2. But the thing is, this falling channel is bullish structure. 70% of the times it goes up, 30% of the time it goes down. But it has gone and continued for a very long time. Generally, these channels are not this big. Generally, these channels, they would be this much in size, and they would start shooting up. We do see a failed attempt here, but XCN unfortunately is creating a very long one, and that is where it is leading to confusion and making me wonder what will happen. But the thing is, we are stuck by the rules of technical analysis, and as per TA, we need to stick to what we see, and on the basis of what we are seeing on the chart, it dictates that we need to consider the 70% case scenario, which means 1.1 cent will hold, and it will bounce from here and start going up towards the area of 1.45. But if it breaks below 1.1 cent for more than 2 days, you should basically prepare for losing another 0, and you should get ready for the area of 0.008. And that's pretty much it with XCN. I'll see you in next video. My cat is getting really excited. He wants to be in the video. Now you know Shiru is sitting here. I'll see you in next clip. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.